Hello student, today we will continue the chapter 3, that is managing the file and folders. In the previous chapter we had already completed till finding a file or a folder. So from today our topic is customizing the desktop. Windows is quite flexible and provide option to change the setting of desktop according to our choice. For changing the setting of desktop, these steps should be taken. First, right click on the blank area of the desktop and select the personalize option. After selecting the personalize option, click on the window color option. It is located at the bottom of the window. When you click on the window color option, select any color to change the window border and then press start menu and text bar. Then after, select the enable transparency option. After selecting the enable transparency option, the window glass border, the start menu and the taskbar will become transparent. Means when you click on the window color option, which is located at the bottom of the window, the color of the window border, start menu and taskbar change according to your that color which you had choice. And when you want to give a transparent look to the window glass border, start menu and taskbar, select the enable transparency option. After that, you can also set the color intensity option. It will affect on the window glass border, start menu and taskbar color strength. Means you can give the intensity, you can give the intensity to the start menu and taskbar also. Here color intensity means the quality of color. You can either increase the brightness of the color or decrease the brightness. Suppose if you increase the brightness of the blue color, it become dark blue, and the whole window, that is your taskbar, start menu and the border became dark blue color. And if you decrease the intensity of the blue color, it became light blue. This is called color intensity. Then after, click on the show color mixture option to set the saturation and brightness option. You can also play with the color. You can change the color of the window. You can increase or decrease the intensity of the color of the window or start menu or taskbar. You can also mix two color. Means suppose you can mix two color and give one unique effect to your desktop. After that, when you select this whole thing according to your need, you should click on the color drop down list box and select any color of your choice. And similarly, in this same manner, you can change the font of the, you can change the font setting also by the help of this drop down list. When you select the color and font according to your need, then click on the apply button and then click on OK. Click on the apply button and then click on the OK. After that, click on the save change button and your window appear according to your setting. I hope here you understand the topic customizing the desktop. Means you can customize. Customize means to set the desktop according to your desired need. You can change the window color, you can increase or decrease the color intensity, you can change the font, etc. Now, the second topic is desktop gadgets. Windows contains many programs called gadgets, which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to frequently used tools. Windows 7 gadgets are calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, weather, window media center, etc. Means these are the gadgets, and these are the gadgets which, gadgets means small program, mini program, which is used to provide an easy access to frequently used tools. Means by the help of these such as calendar, you can enhance your speed while writing or using the work related to date. Following clock is also a mini gadget which enhance your work while you work using related to time. Now, here the third topic is adding the gadgets on desktop. These steps should be taken. First, right click on the blank area of the desktop, anywhere at the blank area of the desktop. First, right click from the mouse. Then a drop down menu appear. That drop down menu is known as context menu, where you can find option gadgets. Select that option. When you select that option, the gadget gallery window open. A gadget gallery window open which contain many mini programs such as calendar, clock, CPU meter, weather, etc. Double click on the gadget that you want to place on the desktop. Suppose you want to place calendar on the desktop, then double click on the calendar. Selected gadget get placed on the right side of the desktop. Means calendar is you have selected the calendar as then it is placed at the right side of the desktop. Here we complete our chapter. Let's recap the chapter. First point, window is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Second, icons are the small pictures that represent files, folder and programs. Third, Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folder and drives. Fourth point is that star and question mark are the two wildcard character which is used in searching information. And the last point is gadgets are the mini programs which offer information at the glance and provide an easy access to frequently used tools. Here we have completed the whole chapter. Thank you.